2030.
One of the problems that we had to overcome was how to get technology into the field, but not to overcome just the technical, but also the non-technical issue. When you wear the helmet, we had to come up with a way to really link the safety and productivity together. A contractor, for example, care about their payroll. So we showed them a value to safety, but with a direct return of investment from productivity. We said, look, we put a motion sensor in the helmet that can tell if you're wearing the helmet or not. If you're not wearing the helmet, that means the workers are either not on the site or working on the site without the helmet. Either way, you shouldn't pay them. He's like, oh, that's brilliant. So I'm going to only pay for safe hours. I was like, yep, you pay for safe hours. Contractors who are not obligated to use the technology for safety were not actually interested to pay additional money for safety, but that solved their problem. So it gives them both safety and productivity at the same time. In fact, you cannot argue with safety. So we showed them the ROI, the saving of reduction of overbilling and other things. But when it comes to implementation, they say, well, it's a safety device. You got to wear it. That worked for them. How do the worker feel? Like, are we screwing the workers or helping the workers? Workers started showing up and saying to us, why do we still vet hour if you are generating a report? I was like, what do you mean by vetting hours? They said, you see that guy? He is a timekeeper. If he likes us, he'll give us more hours. If he doesn't, we're screwed. So I said, okay, so we should just automate that. So we went to the project director. We told him about the vetting process. He removed the vetting process. And what happened, all the bad apple got flushed. This is when it's like, I realized, oh, we're really helping them because workers started coming to us asking, oh, can you please give me another helmet for my cousin who is in another project? I was like, why? It turns out they're using it to prove that they were there for their hours. And this is when we realized, okay, so we go to the workers, we tell them what the solution is, they have access to their hours. And that got us to really start thinking, okay, any market we need to expand to, we need to figure out what's in it for the worker.